report makes my case better. I just got a copy, my lord, on WhatsApp, so I took a print. In this also, my lord, none of the ingredients of 100 are mentioned. They are only saying the management should have been more careful. They should have taken the actor on a separate, they should have provided separate access and taken him separately. Because of him coming, there was surge. But Losses may kindly see, my lord.
So there is no awareness of that the permission was cancelled or they have
no, nothing. I'm going to remand report, second page. At the time they mention, the drastic incident occurred on Sandhya 70 having so much capacity. After 2 sentences, they say, later on about 9:40, the hero Allu Arjun and his family and personal security, 12 to 16, entered into the theatre premises. On seeing him, all of a sudden, crowd started approach towards A11. Security personnel 12 to 15 and others of A11 pushed them away forcibly, due to which mob entered into the lower balcony of Sandhya 70. As a result of heavy rush, deceased and her victim's son got suffocated. So, my lord, the security were only protecting the hero by keeping the crowds at bay. My lord, eventually, my lord, if I am, because I have gone to their theatre thousands of times, I can't speak from a personal experience. My lord, people, when someone is going into one balcony, my lord, when you push, they don't go into the lower floor. What really happened, your leadership seems to be, police were intimated, police were present, they were not in adequate numbers. And now who is conducting this prosecution, your lordships would see, would be everything will be done by the police. So they would want to blame everybody except taking negligence on their head. And my lord, if my learned friend is right, I will suffer a trial.
Insufficient police officials were there, so they couldn't control the crowd.
That's correct, your ladyship. And in fact, the remand report says, after the lady and the child fell and they were crying, police came from first floor to ground floor. That means there were no police in ground floor. They also want to see Allu Arjun only on the ground floor. If your ladyship sees, my lord, cricket matches, in India, police officers are all watching cricket match. Abroad, your ladyship, all police officers will be watching the crowd. Everybody wants, and eventually they want to now arrest me because they will also see me in the police station. They will sit with me.
The police only shifted.
But also, my lord, your ladyship would be guided by one factor, which is eventually, if your ladyship is not going to quash, I'm sanguine we'll get it to be quashed. If ladyships are not persuaded or the court is not persuaded, I will go to trial, and if they're able to prove their case, I will be subjected to a punishment. But why should they take? What is the inquiry they can do? Not custodial interrogation or inquiry?
No, at first instance, whether ingredients are applicable, satisfying offense to the petitioner.
That's right. So, my lord, the remand report, in fact, my lord, improves my case.
Yes.
In this
now
case,
remand report they have placed.
Yes, my lord, they already remanded.
You have to establish whether the offences under 105 and 118,
Yes,
whether they are attracted against the petitioner.
Right, it is
Just
now,
he being an actor, as he has taken permission, he has gone for that show. And if some crowd,
if lordship permitted, this way also,
some
if lordship permitted, this way also.
Is it, no, whether it, is he responsible for that first?
If lordship permitted, I may permit to say this because of Allu Arjun only. This lunch motion 130 granted. When because of Allu Arjun and the actor. What I want, that is.
I didn't understand that.
Famous hero, that is the reason.
It is not that reason. I'll tell you why reason. Section
anyway,
item 27 was something connected. Your PP has taken time to get instruction whether he was arrested or not. For that I have given. Then later they have brought to my notice that's item 27 also is connected matter. So we'll hear both the matters at 4 o'clock. That is the reason.
My respectable
There is no
submission.
special reason.
Yes, madam. Sir, my
So filed 2
respect.
days earlier, my lord.
And it is already pending.
Pending for listing, my lord.
So according
It is
to them,
already
it was
indexed.
abuse of process of law where he is not
Milord.
responsible. They have dragged him and arrested. Was the contention? So I thought of hearing along with 27. That's
Milord, may I request you? My Milord, petition, Milord,
I understood what he intends to say. As he, because he's actor, and that is what I have expressed my doubts.
Milord, even Milord, Lordship having the power to give the even house motion also, subject to
That is
Milord.
what
Milord,
senior
even
counsel has
we are
convinced.
we are not coming the way. General convention in our court, your Lordship knows, generally whoever moves the Milord intent to move the lunch motion, Milord 10:30 generally moves. Milord, my
No, I'm
friend,
telling you the reason. Item
Milord,
27. After
Milord,
I
anyway,
think-
Milord, by leaving.
No, you are not aware what has happened pre-lunch. I need to bring it to your notice. I have not granted lunch motion before lunch. After lunch, after taking your instruction, that too, if you wouldn't come also, it would be a different aspect. He said public prosecutor is not in a position to attend because he has taken care of some phone tapping cases in other court. So we thought you wouldn't be present. But when I came and said you were the one who were present in person, so I said item 27 was also brought to my notice, a similar
Milord, he asked
matter.
me
So
to-
when you are here, we will hear both the matters at 4 o'clock. This
Milord,
is
by-
what has happened.
I'm so, Milord, apart from all those things.
Even it is a common
Yes.
person also, I would have granted.
Milord,
In the same
apart-
scenario, I said.
Apart from all those things, Milord, now Milord accused before Lordship moved the Milord quash petition, Milord seeking the quashment of the crime. Milord, now already it became infectious. Apart from that, what is the reason for infection? Milord, he was arrested, sent to the Milord jail. According to just he got the manager got the Milord WhatsApp message from the concerned.
It's not infractious.
Milord,
They have sought for quashing of the proceedings.
yes,
In the meantime, he was arrested.
Milord.
And senior counsel has placed some orders in 482
Even-
also where the accused were released.
My,
What do you say on that?
Yes, whatever the submission made by the senior counsel in respect of and also submitted the judgment, its facts are different. Facts are different.
Well, their politician is there. That's
Well,
different.
not politician. But fact,
Yes,
even
one of
each
the
case,
politician is there.
Milord,
How
each
is
case,
it different? I didn't
Milord,
understand.
kindly see, Milord, my.
And I think another matter of Justice Anupama is the 498A
Yes,
matter.
ma'am.
It's a common man's order.
Common man.
Milord,
Politician is a common man,
your
is there
lordship
where they have
knows,
placed two
each
orders.
case is Milord different, Milord facts and see
Each
that.
case is different, but this case, whether it's applicable to the
Milord,
petitioner,
even kindly see, Milord.
and as he has placed the orders of some court just now, one page, I think, 472, I think, where Justice
General.
Chandra chose, I think.
Yes, my lord.
Arnab Goswami.
Not
Arnab-
even
Arnab
now.
Goswami. Para
Yes,
Anna
68.
Goswami, Milord, nearly 2 months, Milord, one of my friend, said 2 months he was in jail. Milord, that fact is entire, whatever the
No,
Milord.
but where a person
I
who is
gone
not
through the-
responsible for the incident,
I gone through the,
no, can he undergo custody even for one day?
Milord, even
I am
kindly
putting
see,
a question.
even Milord, land friend, Milord, read
Just
the.
being an actor. Same terminology I'm using.
Milord, actor, he may be actor, but he became a accused. Accused, Milord, not having any special.
Police have made him accused. Otherwise, he's not accused.
Milord, because of his presence only, Milord, there was a use.
That is not the
Milord, kindly see,
material you have placed.
complaint itself clearly disclosed. Milord, land friend read the English version. Kindly see, even complaint of the page number 14.